I'm Joe, and you're at the Joe Fixes It channel. I'm making this video today because I bought a new trailer. I wanted to show you what my trailer looked like, but I also wanted to assure you that this channel isn't dead. I've got several up-and-coming projects. I've got this brown Jetta of mine. For some reason or another, it keeps leaking from the oil filter where it screws up to the bottom of the oil cooler. I've replaced the oil filter, I've tightened everything up. It works for a while and then it starts leaking again. Today, I just bought a new trailer. It's a 12x6 enclosed trailer. Here it is sitting right here. It looks good. I won't really tell you how much I paid for it. Really didn't have to fix much on it. The lights didn't work worth a crap. These things flash on and off all the time because they're not grounded well or something. And the same way with this one, but I just bought a bunch of LED bulbs that I can put on there and replace them with. The back end, it looks pretty good. The tires were in good shape, so I reinforced the seam. You can see that I made a metal strip down here, and I had a couple tears that I had to repair too, and these are my repairs. Some of y'all might think I need to use pop rivets. It acts like a little airplane wing right here, and it tends to try to suck the siding right off of it. You get the same thing on this side, but you have a door here that helps reinforce that so it doesn't try to pull loose. I bought this thing basically so I could move stuff when it was raining, and also I've got a rental property that sometimes I need to carry the materials there, and I don't want to be a slave to weather. As you can see inside, I've already got it loaded up with stuff, insulation, some drywall. It's just thin plywood. There's no real hard points on the side where I can like strap stuff down. And the plywood floor doesn't seem to be that thick, so I would be really afraid of screwing things down to the floor. I really wouldn't want to do that. But I can deal with that because you're going to get something heavier than I'm going to have trouble pulling it with my really light duty pickup truck, unless of course one of y'all out there want to sell me a heavy half-ton or a 3/4 ton Dodge Ram with a 12 valve in it, but don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But you can see how big it is. Let me open up the back doors. 2008 Horton Hauler Hybrid. I don't know one from the other, but it's primarily for this. This is all the stuff I need. I gotta put a ceiling in a rental house, and that's all the stuff that I have there, and I can let it sit out here rather than tying up my shop. So let me go ahead and button this thing back up. It's nice, I can leave stuff in it. I even got wheel chocks with it. Got a hitch lock on it for whatever good that's gonna do. Somebody with a light set of bolt cutters can lock that off, but it only has a 4-pole connector on it. I have a 7-pole RV on the back of my truck, but I made an adapter for that, so that's really no big deal. Anyway, thanks for stopping and checking out my trailer. If y'all have any thoughts on the trailer, suggestions, criticism, leave it in the comment. Let me walk in here, I'll show you the pickup truck that I use on it. It is a gray 1991 Toyota pickup truck with the 22 RE engine in it. I bought this thing new in 1991. It's got nearly 300,000 miles on it and still runs pretty good. But that's what I've been pulling it with, and it's almost kind of a struggle for that truck. That's really about it. I just wanted to show you that, let you know that the channel is not dead, and that I have some projects coming up, namely this buzzard right here. I guess that's the end of this video. If you like this content, let me know. Have any suggestions for things to do? I'm right here, and we will see you in the next video.